Hi everyone, in front of me I've got WACOM MovinkPad 11 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the apps. Then let's scroll down and localize the option Special App Access, and here scroll down again to find the option Install Unknown Apps. And right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome, so from my browser. All we have to do is to find it and then tap on it, and tap on this switcher next to allow from the source. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developers, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.